afternoon, my crafty friends. This is Debbie with DR Market, and today I am doing the Jody Lewis Creations. It's her challenge. It's hashtag ABCJLC. Today is letter S, and then the random generator. Here's the list here: spoon, stars. So the stars are in this little jewelry here. See the stars in the jewelry. And then ship. I found, I don't know how well this is going to show up, but there's ships on here. These little stickers. And sun. And also on the jewelry, there is a sun. So I don't know how many, I think I might kind of use this as the background to start with, just because I need to cover this up here. That might be a little tricky. Okay. Well, let's get started with the background. So let's see. I think I'll go ahead and take this side to start. And then I still have like the sun and the moon over here. So we'll just go ahead and just cut this. I don't want to rip it. So I make sure this is just from a magazine. I really can find all kinds of neat images in magazines. Let's go ahead and get rid of the white. And then that way, also this kind of a grayish background here is on there. We'll get that on there like that. I think I'm going to open this up. Make it just a little bit flatter. This is the accordion style book that I have done, just with some flashcards. In case you guys haven't seen it before. I know sometimes I repeat, but just letting you know in case people don't know. Okay, we'll go ahead and start with some glue stick. Probably should just do the wet glue. Maybe just get it in the middle for sure. Yeah, this is, I like this challenge. It really makes you kind of go through your items to go, yeah, I think I've seen that before. Which is kind of funny. I thought I had a flat spoon. I thought I had a little cardboard one. This is actually dimensional, so I don't know how well that's going to fit in here. So sorry about any outside noise. There is a lawnmower I can hear mowing the neighbor's lawn. So I live in like a neighborhood. I know some people like live on a farm. They have land. Not that close to their neighbor. Okay, let's see. Like I said, this may not show these back pieces. And it's already, yeah, this is already have, because of the necklace that I put on there, I should chop that off or just go ahead and leave it. I'll just leave it. Okay, let's see here now. Flip this over so I can see the other side to know where to trim. Yeah, you guys, if you missed any, I did create a playlist. So you can go back and watch any of the ones. They're, most of these are really short. That doesn't, I try to keep them about 30 minutes. So, they're not real long. Just because once you, once you get all your supplies together, I think that's the most time-consuming thing. It's just finding all of the items. Okay, I think I'm going to just leave that there like that, and then I'll trim it once it's good and dry. Make sure that it's completely dry. It's not that over, it's not coming over too much. It's Just a little bit. Oh, let's see, it's not even straight on there. I can't even lay papers on straight, let alone cut straight. Okay, there we go. There's our base. So let's see. See, we have the ship or ships. There's plenty of room for everything. Let's see, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 4. There's 4 prompts. So I don't know. This probably won't work though. I kind of like the size here. I have a smaller one. This one might be too small. Yeah, that one's too small. So let's see here. I'm thinking if I fold this, maybe I can get the punch inside. It has a hard time with thinner papers. I don't know if you guys have found that. And I found that, you know, if you thicken up the paper a little bit, it really helps. Let's see, this one, yeah, I think this one's too small. Trying to make, okay, I'm in camera. Oh, actually, it worked. It cut off the, you know, the trim of it, but not the photo, so that worked out. Okay. I don't want the rest of these too. I don't want to. I want all of them. Oh, not the little one. This is the inch. I think the other one's actually a 1/2 inch. I had just bought a set and I didn't realize that it came that small, those little circles. So, okay. Let's see, we have another. Oh, we have a couple of them. This is a small one. I just thought this would be nice just to embellish. You know, if we needed a little bit more on the paper. There's only 4 items, so if you can have more than one, it kind of, I think it helps fill out the paper. You know, the background. This is a sun. This is actually jewelry. Did I mention that? And one more. And then I could just place these randomly. There we go. They're teeny tiny. Okay, let's go ahead and get some of that stuff out of the way. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. The spoon's probably gonna have to be last. No, it's gonna be so bulky. If there was a way to flatten that out, I would. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna just put these randomly down. A little piece of paper here. We would just kind of overlap a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I like that placement. Maybe come over here. It's kind of close over there on the other other side. Okay, there is the sun and the stars. Let's see. Where should this go? Spoon. Don't know. Wish I could have found that flatter spoon. So we can just put the ship anywhere. I think I kind of like this one. This is a sticker and it's clear. Maybe down here. I think I like it down here. There we go. The spoon's not covering up too much. Oh, you know what? That should have had hot glue on it, probably. I'm still not sure about this spoon. I want it a little bit flatter, so I might come back to this. But for the most part, this is what it's going to look like. It's very simple and very, what a monochromic, you know, similar colors. So there you guys go. Like I said, I don't know. I'll have to glue it down. There's already, sorry, there's already something underneath, so I can't like sew it on. I mean, you know, I could have it maybe stick out. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to decide, you guys, if I'm going to use this or look for a flatter one, more in a, you know, paper or cardboard even would work. But anyway, there you go, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to, if you're thinking about joining the challenge, I would head over to Jody Lewis Creations page, and she has all the information there. And I think she does this every other Wednesday, and it should be complete before Christmas time, or you know, December. So just because that makes it you know, the 26 weeks, or 26 times 2, so that should work out. That would be 53. So yeah, it's not a hard challenge. So happy crafting, you guys. Have a great day. Till next time. Bye bye.